Jiun, a Shingon master, was a well-known Sanskrit scholar of the Tokugawa era. When he was young, he used to deliver lectures to his fellow students. His mother heard about this and wrote him a letter. "Son, I do not think you become a devotee of the Buddha because you desire to turn into a walking dictionary for others. There is no end to information and commentation, glory and honor. I wish you would stop this lecture business. Shut yourself up in a little temple in a remote part of the mountain. Devote your time to meditation and in this way attain Jiun realization." The moral of the story is that true devotion and realization come from inner reflection and spiritual practice, rather than simply acquiring knowledge or seeking external recognition. Jiun's mother advises him to shift his focus from being a mere transmitter of information to engaging in deep meditation and introspection. She highlights the importance of finding a secluded space for inner exploration and cultivating a personal connection with the teachings of the Buddha. The story emphasizes the significance of going beyond the pursuit of worldly accomplishments and turning inward to discover the true essence of spirituality. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.